Have you ever bumped into a situation when your friend or friends happen to mention Linux to you, and now you are curious to actually try it on your computer? But what is this so-called Linux? What does dual booting Linux with your existing OS mean? Hello there, I'm Lou. Welcome to Linux at Home channel, where you get the best benefit out of your Linux box. Want to stay up to date with me? Subscribe to my channel. Linux is an operating system just like Windows and OS X, where you do all the tasks, writing documents, playing games, organizing files and folders, and so on. The same tasks that everyone does on their PC and Mac. However, you must have been told by your peers about Linux being totally new and you investing some time with various Linux distros before getting comfortable using one. Well, they are right, but on the brighter side, using Linux is just like buying a new video game where you get to face new exciting challenges. In case if you are curious to really know who uses Linux and why they use it, here are, in my opinion, 3 categories of Linux users. 1. People who have been using Linux since the very beginning it first came out. They include computer science students and geeks. 2. People who just use it for fun and learning. And finally, people who are on budget. They invest on the hardware parts of the computer and then install a free OS such as Linux rather than buying a paid proprietary OS, which is kinda expensive. Oh hey, did you know Linux is free and open source? It means you are free to download and use Linux and even hack its source code if you like to. Then again, there are users who rely more on specific PC or Mac apps for their productivity but also need to use Linux side by side with their existing OS because of the project they are assigned to, or maybe because it's the requirement for the course material a student is currently pursuing. In this scenario, people install Linux without erasing their existing OS, and this is called dual booting. This allows them to choose their preferred OS when starting up their computer, work on their projects, and then when the need arises, switch back to the other OS simply by rebooting. Are you excited to try Linux, or maybe looking forward to using it as your primary system from now on? Let me know in the comments below. Again, I'm Lou. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with more cool content from me. See ya!